Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large circle. And now let's hop inside and let's draw the eye. Let's start by drawing a circle near the top. And then inside, let's draw a curve across near the top. Now underneath this line, let's draw a circular curve. And then another one inside. And color this one in black for the pupil. Next, around the eye, let's draw the goggles by drawing another circle. Now on the top, let's draw a small bump, and the same on the bottom. Now top to the sides, and let's do the same thing. And then 4 more on each of the corners. Next, let's add the straps of the goggles. On both sides, let's draw 2 curves going out. And then another curve across the center. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start by drawing a curve across. And then let's curve it up and back down on both sides. Now underneath the center, let's draw another curve going downwards. And then from the sides, let's bring it down and curve it back in. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's add the teeth. Let's draw 2 rounded square shapes coming from the top. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw another one on both sides. And now let's do the same thing at the bottom for the bottom row. Now inside the mouth, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom here for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop down and let's draw the overalls. From the sides, let's draw 2 curves coming in, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's bring it down, and then curve it back out. And then inside each one, let's add a small circle. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's bring it down and continue it below and curve it out. Now on both sides, let's add another curve going out. And lastly, let's add the pocket. Let's start with a line across and a U-shaped curve underneath. Now inside the pocket, let's add a circle. And then inside this, let's add the letter M. And that's it for the overalls. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. On both sides, let's start by drawing two curves going down. And then a curve across that's larger underneath. And then angle it back in on both sides. Now for the inside line, let's draw a curve out and back in for the thumb. Then let's curve it out and back around and up. And that's it for the hands. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with two lines down on the left and two on the right. And then a larger curve across. Now for the ends, let's angle it back in. And a small angle out from the inside line. Now top to the outside, and let's draw a curve out and down for the tops of the feet. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the legs and feet. Lastly, let's add the rock pattern on the body. Let's start on top of the eye and let's draw a zigzag line going out from the center like this. And let's work our way around on both sides. Now let's continue this below. Let's hop under the goggles and let's draw an angle out and continue the zigzag on the other side of the mouth. And the same on the right side. Now let's draw some more going downwards. Underneath the goggles, let's draw an angle down, and the same on the right, and a few zigzag lines underneath the mouth. And then another zigzag line next to the mouth on both sides. Now inside each of these sections, we're going to draw zigzag lines going the opposite direction. And then a few more underneath the overall straps at the bottom here. And that's it for Mega Minion Jerry. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!